Go. Mike.
Turn the camera off now.
It's a school guitar. It's like it was downstairs.
Are you lefty?
You want to play something?
Thank God he's
No, don't tell me doing that.
No, see, now tape him.
You got that on.
Alright, I'll put my backpack on.
All right, go. Look at the camera. This is gonna be the best shot.
What do I do?
Just like look really evil and just walk around.
I'm strutting.
Stop by that sign and look at it. All right, that's good. Keep going. All right, walk in the cafeteria. All right, go over there. This way. I walk over to this thing.
My study hall.
Okay.
All right,
A list.
go.
We have like 3 minutes, not even. What's she gonna do? I don't know.
All right, now hit the machine like you're buying something.
Yeah, Kazla?
Hit it.
Hate this! Yeah, can I take part in this?
In a little bit. I just gotta get the sax footage real quick.
I'll hit this penny.
All right. Go. Hit it. All right.
Prodigy.
It's just the song.
I know it's a song. Which one?
I don't care. It's going one. Just go.
Hello there, Terry.
Hello there.
You got them all made?
No, I got 20 more to make.
You making more today?
Oh, I got to make 20 Caesar salad for,
Huh?
me.
I'll take it on ahead.
Penguins ice skating with the Nick Dynasty.
Yeah. Good. Go. Just stay there. Still on. Alright, let's do that one more. Alright, get in the corner. Alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, let's go. Two seconds. Go. Alright. Now. And go. Hi. Oh, this is amazing. Just keep going. Yeah, just keep doing that. We'll stop when we turn the hall. Just keep walking. All right. Now. Just keep going. All right. Go.
The ugly life of Kim Jobson. You notice she's looking at Dr. Best, chewing her gum, 8 feet tall, ugly as ever. Her teeth take over the world, and her braces add to the effect. She never stops talking. And if I was the last man on earth, I'd rather fuck a dog. Now, here's her fat fucking friend. And there's Dr. Best. He's bald as you can see. And
You don't have to. I just figured you were sitting there doing nothing. You want something?
he has a broken leg. And he likes the color. That's Bobby. Look at his head. Daniel.
Grab a ball and shake.
Wave to the camera.
Grab a ball and shake. Okay.
And Vince, our notorious friend. Wave to the camera, Vince. Wave, Vince. Thank you. Back to Kim. Still ugly.